Now, whenever I search my application, which is deployed in this server, whenever I search my application from my laptop Chrome browser, so there is a layers. There are some layers. What layers, sir? Why I'm telling? It's important. Why I would have to teach means this give you more wider knowledge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's called it's called OSI layers. Anyone heard about it, sir? Anyone heard about it? OSI layers?
Yes, yes, it's a network model,
Right,
OSI reference model.
right. The first one is the physical layer. Okay. Physical layer. And the second one is data link layer. Third one is network layer. Fourth one is transport layer. Fifth one is session layer. Sixth one is presentation layer. And the final one is application layer. So why we need to learn this? Means from your laptop, when you packet, it's called packet when you're searching something, it will pass your NIC LAN card and it will go to your Wi-Fi router cable. From there it will add. So here it is L2. It is L2 network. L2. The labeling will happen. Okay, segments and label. And at network layer, this is L3. Here your IP address will be added. And transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. So after transport layer, here your things will be decided whether it is UDP or TCP. UDP or TCP. What is this UDP TCP, sir? Why you are making your applications with UDP preferred or a TCP preferred? User datagram protocol and transmission control protocol. That means all the applications which you are seeing on the Android and the web are TCP protocols. And the gaming applications and AI applications and AI things you are seeing, they are UDP protocols, which is so faster. TCP are little slower and latency will be there, but acknowledgement will be there. So that is the beauty of the TCP. But at the UDP, it will be not there. Example, your UDP is nothing but your mobile SMS. When you send any SMS from your mobile to your friend, you don't know whether that message is reached or not, right? But TCP is your WhatsApp. When you send your message to your friend, you will able to see that whether he received or not with a double tick. So that is the difference between these two. All the applications right now on the TCP. So session where it will manage and open the communication sessions like the dialogue things, okay, between application and your device. That means it is opening the port and the session when you are doing some communication with your thing. Example, you're opening and you're doing a payment. When you're doing a payment, the data exchange has to be happen, right? The synchronization will be maintained by your session layer. Coming to your presentation layer. So it will be handling your encoding and encryption things. That means it will translate the data from the network format to the application format. So that is the use case of the presentation layer. And your application layer, the last one, which is the software. So it is understand, it will give, and it will give the output body in response to your laptop. So this is a difference, sir. Okay, this is the difference. So that's why OSI layers are very, very important to know. So when you say load balancer, I want to use network load balancer or I want to use application load balancer. So in interview they will ask network load balancer will work on which port number? Sorry, which port, which layer? So can anyone tell me, sir?
Transport layer.
L4.
Yes, L4 level it work because after L3 it will come. Okay, layer 3, layer 4 you can say. Layer 3 and layer 4 load balancer is network load balancer and application load balancer is layer 7. So this is sure short interview question. So while you're creating your load balancer in your Kubernetes or somewhere in your servers, okay, you must know about these things. If you don't know, you can't able to predict where the issue is happening.